Assalamu alaikum, grade 6. How are you, my dear students? Today, inshallah, we will start the first lesson about algebra, collecting like terms. Our objectives today is to simplify expressions by collecting like terms. So by the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify like terms in simple expressions and simplify expressions containing more than one variable, and finally to present a solution in its simplest terms. Why do I need algebra and where I use it? Algebra has many uses. It's applied in the development of computer software and video games, as well as in the constructions of buildings. Starting to use algebra, we have this picture. It contains 3 pairs of shoes. We want to find out the total cost of these shoes. Each pair is the same price. We could use the letter F to represent the cost of one pair. How many pairs have we got? Yes, we have 3 pairs, so the total cost is F plus F plus F, which is equal 3F. We add the 3 prices together, we got 3F. The rules. Imagine we have a boy. His name is Henry. Henry buys 4 apples. He then buys another 3 apples. He wants to find out how much they cost all together. Letters are used to represent variables. For this problem, we are going to let the letter A stand for the cost of an apple. So, the cost of 4 apples will be A plus A plus A plus A, which is 4A. And then remember, he buys 3 more apples, so A plus A plus A. Since Henry buys only apples, we only need one variable, which is A. Now to find out how much do they cost all together, we should add 4A plus 3A. A is the same variable, so we can only add the coefficients of both. So 4 plus 3 equal 7A. This is called collecting like terms and allow us to use simple calculation to find the solution. Now it's your turn to simplify. You have 7 expressions you have to simplify. But remember, if we only have one of something, we simply write the letter B instead of 1B. We can subtract terms as well as add them. Now, I want to work out the total cost of a number of apples and bananas. Let's begin by assigning a variable to each fruit. We will use A for the cost of an apple and B for the cost of a bunch of bananas. We now need to count up what we have: 5 apples and 3 bunches of bananas. A plus A plus A plus A plus A plus B plus B plus B. Collecting like terms give us 5A and 3B. So the total cost of the apples and bananas is 5A plus 3B. Remember, we don't know how much each apple or banana cost. So we can only collect the like terms to form an expression for the total cost. Equally, since A and B are different variables, we cannot simply add them together. 5A plus 3B is the simplest form of the solution rather than 8AB. This is multiplication rather than addition. Now it's your turn. You have 3 questions. You have to simplify it. Give a fully simplified expressions for the parameter of each of the shapes. The first one, we have a rectangle. The length of the rectangle is 4y and the width is 2y. To find the parameter of a rectangle, we will add them all together. Since we have same variable, so we will add only the coefficients. So 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, which is equal 10y.